Over the December holiday period in South Africa, nearly 8,000 slum fires and 20 deaths were reported in Cape Town alone. On New Year's Day 2013, 3 massive fires ripped through South Africa's largest slum, Khayelitsha, displacing over 5,000 people. From the smoke and ashes, Lumkani was born. Lumkani is a tech startup and social enterprise with one vision: to minimize the loss of life and property caused by slum fires in South Africa and across the globe. Devastating slum fires are a truly global challenge. On our planet today, 1 billion people live in densely populated slums, which are increasing in size every year. In these spaces, cooking, lighting, and heating activities are carried out using open flames, which may cause fires that can displace tens of thousands of people in a single blaze. We have engineered the world's first network fire detector designed specifically for a slum environment. We use the rate of rise of temperature to detect fire, so it is completely insensitive to the smoke produced from cooking, lighting, and heating. For example, a home heats up during the course of the day, over a few hours. In a dangerous fire situation, room temperatures radically increase in seconds. This is what our fire detector is designed to detect. In the event of a fire, the in-home device sounds an alarm, alerting the family to the danger and allowing them to deal with the fire before it becomes unmanageable. To address the nature of spreading fires from one home to the next, our devices communicate with one another through radio frequency. The device will send a signal to all devices within a 60-meter radius of the danger, causing them to ring, creating a community-wide alert and response. This critical early warning enables communities to respond to fires before they reach disaster stage. With your contribution to our campaign, we will distribute 3,000 of our detectors to some of South Africa's most high fire risk households. Your funds will make 3,000 informal homes a safer place to live. The positive spillover effects of this protection on individuals, community, and our society are profound. And this is just the beginning. Your contribution will be a significant step on our journey to be in every fire risk home in our country, our continent, and the world. Please use the links to vote for us in the Shivers Regal venture and share our campaign with your friends and family on Facebook and Twitter. Your support for our product and organization is immensely appreciated.